Take number 2. I forgot to hit the record button. That would help. What is up, guys? Super Duck Man 24 here. It was a very hot and humid day today, and this is the result. We got a storm. The lightning's not picking very up there. There we go. Wow. The rain is coming down, so I'm gonna set this here because I have to use the bathroom. Oh, that's so much better. I don't know what it is about rain, but rain always makes me have to pee. Okay. I wonder, did God get any strikes while I was out there? Ooh, very good, very good. I tell you, before I was doing a Snapchat, and there was a lightning strike that went right over a house. Sorry, I'm eating something. You know, back when I was in Boy Scouts, the adult leaders always would tell us, you know, whenever we got scared by these big storms, we would say, God's got a strike, you know. It's God's bowling right now. He hasn't been to the bowling alley in a while. Whew. It's been a while since I made a Indiana Thunderstorm video. I uploaded the Marco Island Thunderstorm videos. I think that would be like a 7-10 split. Oh, nice. Well, I thought I heard hail for a second. Weird. Okay. Well, I just wanted to... Whoa, that was a good one. I bet this was a strike. Oh yeah, that was a strike. See, the first part is the pins getting hit, and then like the final part is like all the pins falling down. That's how I view it. And you know, I've always told kids that, you know, especially at VBS when you get the little kids, oh, they just get so scared. You feel sorry for them, so you always try to do something to make them feel more relaxed. Well, I'm gonna go finish cleaning my basement.